If you're passionate about making a difference in the lives of others, the social work program at Southern Regional Technical College is the perfect place to start your journey. Our program provides real-world, hands-on training so students are prepared for jobs within their communities.
The Vashti Center, we've been pleased to be able to partner with Southern Regional to have the interns to come over from the social work assistant program. So we are able to give the interns from Southern Regional that opportunity of case management, learning the documentation. They get an opportunity to coordinate all of the services for the children that we serve here in our program.
Our affordable tuition and flexible class options make it easier than ever to start your career in social work.
We are able to pour back in and nurture those skills and help develop those skills. And from that, we have benefited in actually having some of the interns that have come through the Vashti Center become employees here with Vashti. Being able to see these children flourish, being able to see them develop, being able to see them meet their permanency goals and return back to their families and get those reports back that the families are doing great. It's no feeling better than that. There's no better program that I would suggest other than the social work program.
If you want a rewarding career that truly changes lives, consider the social work program at Southern Regional Technical College.